Good morning, everybody. Just out here on a walk, trying to get my steps in for the day and enjoy some time with God alone. That's one of the practices I'm working on this week, is some solitude on my days off and not be consumed by scrolling or watching videos on YouTube. So I'm out here just enjoying nature, and it's amazing all of the things that you can notice when you truly let all thoughts go away and you are present in the moment. Just seeing all the beautiful creation that we get to experience. Morning. I'm not used to seeing people when I'm recording, so I'm trying to work on not caring what other people think about me. It's been something I've always been captive to, is thinking about what other people are thinking about me, and it just consumes the thoughts in my head. And I'm tired of conforming my true self to what others think, or what I think others think, and just trying to be more authentic with myself and move forward into new opportunities and new growth. I hope you guys have a blessed day. Spread peace, love, and positivity.